And it's curtains down on phase one of polling in Bihar. 121 constituencies in Bihar have exercised their franchise. Voting officially comes to an end at 6 p.m. And what we're seeing right now is very heartening. It's the highest voter turnout in Bihar in 20 years. At least in phase one, we're seeing voter data that's been recorded right now by the Election Commission at 60.13%. That's the voter turnout that's recorded till 5 p.m. So what that essentially means is that number will go up further. This is from just phase one. Begusarai has witnessed the highest voting at 67.32%. As far as Patna goes, it's at 55.02%. That's the voter turnout reported in Patna. But this is, in fact, the latest we can confirm for you as of 5 p.m. 60% voter turnout. By 6:30, in another 30 minutes, we're expecting the latest updated figures. Remember that in 2020, the voter turnout was about 57%. So already, and that was the highest, by the way, ever recorded in Bihar. So the fact that this time you're already seeing 60% being reported till 5 p.m. means this is the highest voter turnout in phase one in the last 20 years in Bihar. Amit Bharadwaj is joining us live from Siwan with the latest updates on the Siwan, one of those districts that's gone to polls in phase one. Amit, very heartening to see these numbers, that people have come out in large numbers to cast their vote, 60% now and counting, because this is data till 5 p.m.
Right, Akshata, these numbers are only to increase because we know in 2020 elections, when I was even covering and tracking down different constituencies of Bihar, but we saw that despite the fact COVID had its own impact, the voting percentage had stopped at nearly 57%. But we are speaking of the data of 5 p.m. It has already crossed 60% mark, which means that in the last there could be increase of at least up to 5% in the overall voting percentage in Bihar. Now, speaking of Siwan, to be very particular, even in Siwan, so far the data suggests that 57% polling has been already done in this particular district, which otherwise would also see different instances of violence that has not happened this time around across the seats on which there was major focus. And in fact, in Raghunathpur, where you have Mohammad Shahabuddin's legacy being taken forward, electoral legacy being taken forward by Osama Sahib, and the JDU's Vikas Singh is in the electoral fray there. Even there, the electoral battle seemed really calm. No violence has been reported so far. Major violence has been reported so far. Even in Siwan, the overall voting has been calm. So everybody is also looking at the women voters who queued up at the polling stations in big numbers.
Everyone's reading into all of the pictures that are coming in, Amit, whether it's about the fact that you have women who've come out in large numbers, or about the fact that you're seeing a record voter turnout so far in Bihar phase one. Who does that benefit? What is the messaging here? Is it a anti-incumbency, is it winds of change, or is it a tick essentially for the Nitish model of governance? Well, November 14th, we will really know. But phase one, so far, very promising voter turnout. And this is as of 5 p.m., 60% voter turnout that's been reported in 121 constituencies of Bihar. Thanks very much, Amit, for those details.